Okay, it's time to cut these $500 boots in half. Welcome back, everybody. Today's an interesting day. It's a great day. It's just after Christmas, and a Christmas present came in the mail. These are the new Nix boots. They don't have laces on them, and they're pretty lightweight. These are a previous pair of Nix boots that I've been wearing for probably 6 months now, and I love them. I love beating them. And the worse they look, the better they actually look. You can see how they've been holding up. Some real good man character in these boots. I am going to clean these up today. Kind of wanted to start my review the day that I got these new slip-on boots. I believe they're calling them a Chelsea boot. That's the style of this type of boot. It's not what Nix named them, but it's a weird name, and you won't hear me say it ever again. Man, these things are so lightweight compared to these ones. Actually, these aren't that bad either. So a couple of the first observations are the soles. The soles on the ones I just got, for some reason they sent me oil-resistant Vibram soles that are extra thick. These are 1 3/8 inch thick, as opposed to these ones here, just some regular Vibram soles. I prefer the lower profile. They're probably lighter, and if they're not lighter, at least I'm not, giant Sasquatch man. I'm already 6'1". This puts me 6'2" 3/8 of an inch. The process to getting these on is quite a lengthy lacing process. You're not going to slip these on ever. No matter what you arrange your laces, as far as snugness, these are never going to slip on and off. This is the boot to wear if you're going to put your boots on and go to work for 8 to 10 hours a day. And you're not going to take them off. I'm always taking my shoes on and off. I'm going in and out of my own house to the workshop here. I'm going in and out of customers' houses. I never wear my shoes in their house, especially boots. That's just a bad look for a homeowner. Always kick your shoes off or get the booties that can slip on underneath. I'm going to switch from wearing these lace-up boots to the slip-on boots. Wear them for a few months and get back to you on how they feel and how the design worked with no laces. But before I do that, I'm going to condition both of these boots. This one here needs a tune-up. It's going to brush it out and put some stuff on it that came with the boots. This stuff here, I'm going to rub it all over it. So this will be treated, and I'm going to get this one treated before I start wearing it. And it's winter time out right now. I'm going to wear these out in the snow, and I want to seal it all up just to protect it. They got a Nix framing tool belt that I've also been wearing for a couple months. So they did darken up a little bit. They are work boots. I don't really care what they look like, although they are impressive, even darkened up. I'm going to be wearing these bad boys every day. I'm committing to it. Break them in, get that sole, that leather sole broken in, get my foot imprint in there, and I'll update you in a couple months. So I've been wearing these boots every day for the last 2 months. They are fully broken in. They got a little man patina on them now. I'm not sure if any of you guys are familiar with Nix Handmade boots. I discovered them about a year ago through their videos. Their videos are how they built these boots. And it's pretty amazing to watch how these things come together. I do suggest you go check those out. I'll put a link down in the description to their channel. You can see how these boots were handmade. Nix is doing a giveaway just for the people who are watching this video. All those details will be linked in the description. I've been offered a lot of products to give away or to make videos on. This one here was one of the most exciting products that I've ever received because I've got a YouTube channel. I still remember getting the email and reading it. Like, Nix Handmade boots. I watched their videos. I was kind of starstruck. So these are probably the coolest work boots I've ever seen. They call them heritage style. And that's it. What is heritage style? This is it. Handmade, hand-stitched with gigantic sewing machines. They beat nails into them. I don't know how many nails are in here, but there's a whole bunch of nails holding this boot together. And I remember watching their videos and watching them beat nails into that thing, just baffled forget how that works. But if you watch enough of their videos, you'll find exactly how there's a whole bunch of nails in here that don't poke you in the foot. So like I said earlier, if you're going out to work for the day and you're not taking your shoes on and off, I suggest one of their lace-up boots. I selected this style here with this sole. I don't need any sort of big heel on it. If you do tend to take your shoes on and off a few times during the day, they do stick on pretty good. I suggest this slip-on style. It's about time to give it a tune-up. Grease it up, shine it up, but I might not. I might just do like a 2-year review on these and just beat the heck out of them without treating them and brushing them and greasing them, and just see how well they hold up. A lot of people ask me, how come you don't promote things that are made in America? Well, there's very few things that are made in America. But these boots are made in America. That's right. Leather comes from the United States of America. These Vibram soles, I think, are even made in America. And I'm kind of proud to wear these boots every day. Made in America. It's such a rare thing these days. The options are endless. I would suggest getting one of their ready-to-ship boots, their pre-made boots. They have lots of methods to measure your foot. I don't have an oddly shaped foot, so a standard 12D fits the Handyman, in case you're wondering what size shoe I wear. It's very important that you enter the giveaway. Those instructions will be in the top of the description box, and I will also pin it in a comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.